in operator for number py arrays? How can I do the in operation on a number py array? Return true if an element is present in the given number py array. For strings, lists, and dictionaries, the functionality is intuitive to understand. Here's what I got when I applied that on a number py array.
You could compare the input arrays for equality, which will perform broadcasted comparisons across all elements in or at each position in the last two axes against elements at corresponding positions in the second array. This will result in a Boolean array of matches, in which we check for all matches across the last two axes and finally check for any match, like so. Sample run. 1. Inputs. Two. Broadcasted element-wise comparisons. Three. All match across last two axes and finally any match. Following similar steps for C and A.
This question is fairly old, but if you're like me, you might have thought there was no number py equivalent for in by reading it. Numpy 1.13 was released in 2017, and with it came the function isen, which now nicely solves the problem. You'll probably want to use np.all at the end if you're looking for the entire element to be in the test array.
Since I do not have enough reputation to comment, but the answer suggested by @rp0 using np.isen and then np.all will not work with numpy arrays. Counterexample. For completeness, I converted the array to Python list using toList and then used normal in the operator, and it's worked just as expected.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.